Hello everybody, in this video I'll be teaching you guys how to paint this TXT Run Away inspired design. Start by applying a layer of base coat to all of your fingernails. I'm using Untitled Off base coat, which I always link in the description box. Then paint all of your fingernails black. For the index fingernail design, I wanted to recreate an opening scene, specifically where Yeonjun is carving out the center of a book and the camera zooms into his hand that has a fresh cut. And I think that's a really big part of the music video, because by the end of the music video you can see that it's kind of chaotic, however the wound heals itself, and it shows, this magical aspect, this fantastical aspect of the music video that is represented by this entire album and the concept. For the middle and ring fingernails, I started by applying a silver hollow top coat, and then I applied a layer of thick glossy top coat to smooth out this layer. Once the top coat is dry, take white polish and draw a door, and for the middle fingernail, I'm not going to be completing this door because it's kind of the start of the magic and is a replication of the door that Soobin draws on the blackboard in the beginning of the music video. It's the door that they wish to escape beyond and that they are asking their audience to go away with them to. For the ring fingernail, I drew another door, however this door is complete and it has flames towards the bottom, and this represents the end of the music video where you guys can see that the door is up in flames and Taeyeon is left there by himself. And this scene, I think, taken out of context from their entire narrative, for me it shows that the escape is not as perfect or as beautiful as they had hoped it would be, and that there's still chaos in this paradise that they thought they were going to. For the pinky, I opted to draw a magical glasses design inspired by the glasses that Soobin puts on in the beginning of the music video. For the frames, I used white polish, and for the lenses, I used red. Then I added the tiny decorations with various colors of polish. For the thumbnail, I did a mashup of the Arcadia and Sanctuary versions of the physical album, and so I did half of it green and half of it black, and I did this diagonally just to make things a little bit more interesting, and across both colors I drew the spike pattern that is shown obviously on both of the albums. And so I use white as a base, and I'll be going over the part that is on the black with green so that it corresponds with the Arcadia version, and I'll also be adding the blue and yellow designs towards the tip and the cuticle. Then apply a layer of your favorite top coat and you're done. That is it for my TXT Run Away inspired design. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I'll see you guys all in the next one.